What's up guys, it's Tommy here. Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing and giving my first impressions on the Jarvis Bamboo Standing Desk by Foley. This video is not sponsored. I will be giving my honest thoughts throughout the entire video. I'll let you guys know whether or not the desk feels cheaply made or high quality. This is not an assembly video, strictly an unboxing and first impressions. However, I will be letting you guys know how long it takes me to put it all together. The exact desk I got was the 60 by 30 bamboo desktop with a black frame, no grommets. I'm not a big fan of those. I did pay a little extra for a 3-stage frame, programmable memory, and a bottle opener, which came out to a grand total of $734. Having said that, let's get right into the unboxing. Alright guys, the desk comes in 3 main boxes, the first being the largest, which is for the bamboo desktop, and then the other 2 smaller boxes are for the desk frame. We also have a really tiny box for the bottle opener that I also added. Foley claims all you need is a screwdriver in order to complete the assembly process. However, I do also have a box cutter and a power tool to speed up the entire assembly process, which, like I mentioned earlier, I will be letting you guys know exactly how long it takes me to put this desk together. I'll probably also watch an assembly video instead of using the instruction manual, since I do think it'll be easier. So there it is guys, the 30 by 60 bamboo desktop. It is covered in styrofoam all the way around. It also has some plastic. So we'll go ahead and take it out of the styrofoam and see how it really looks. So we did get this note from Foley letting us know what we can do to make sure that the desk lasts a very long time. So this is how the desktop looks like itself. It looks super nice. It feels good as well. You can see the thickness here. It has this design, this wooden design too. It looks really cool. On the back you'll see 10 screw holes as well as the Jarvis logo on the bottom. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and open this one up. First box for the frame. So it looks like it's a box within a box. So on this box you'll see that it says Jarvis lifting columns on the top left corner, as well as you can see that the color is black and that it is the extended model. So let's go ahead and open this up. It looks like we get some instruction manuals or just a thank you letter. Go ahead and open that up. And I'm not exactly sure what this is. So this is everything that comes in the first frame box. We're going to go ahead and see what comes in the second one. Alright, so let's go ahead and open this one up. So there's our 3 boxes that came in the second box. We have the Jarvis handset, Jarvis feet, and then the Jarvis frame. Alright guys, so that's everything that comes in the second box. So now it looks like we have all our parts and we're ready to go. Oh, I almost forgot about the bottle opener. I actually already opened this one. And so it's pretty basic. It's just a bottle opener that says Jarvis right here on the bottom with some screws. So what I have noticed so far is that it is packaged very well. It doesn't look like anything is damaged. Obviously, if something does turn out to be damaged, I'll go ahead and let you guys know. But so far, everything is well packed. A lot of cardboard, plastics, and yeah, if you were to see everything that's going on over here on this side of the room where all the cardboard boxes are, it's pretty crazy. But yeah, it looks like everything is packaged very well. Alright guys, so this is all the pieces that come in the desk frame boxes. This is everything that you're going to need. It doesn't seem like it's too much, so I don't think it's going to take very long to put together. But we will have to wait and see. It could be more difficult than it appears. So I will be letting you guys know how difficult it is to put together. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting this stuff together, and I'll be back as soon as I finish up. Alright guys, so I finally finished building the desk, and it only took an hour and 45 minutes, which is kind of a long time. I didn't really even use the power tool. All I basically used was the screwdriver. I used the power tool at certain spots, but not really. It was mainly just all screwdriver, and then the Allen wrenches that are provided in the box. I'd say the assembly process could be better because there's a couple times where I had to redo a part that I already built. I feel like Fully should make a more in-depth video as well as a better instruction manual, because the video is basically exactly like the instruction manual, just in video form, but it's very short. The entire video is only about 3 minutes, so I do recommend that they go ahead and make a longer video that shows more of a step-by-step assembly video. Even then, it was still an alright video. I was still able to build it, so not too much complaint there, but definitely could have been better. As far as build quality, I'd say all the parts were really high quality. I didn't really see anything that was cheaply made, so I'm very impressed with that. However, not too impressed, because that's what you should expect when you're spending $700 on a desk. Something that did surprise me about the desk was how big it was. The 60 by 30 is pretty massive. I'm really happy with it. I think the bamboo looks amazing, so I can't really say enough good things about how the desktop looks on the desk. Especially without the grommets, it just makes it look that much better. So to sum it up, the unboxing and the assembly, I'll say I would give it like a 7 out of 10. Definitely the assembly video could have been a lot better, so there is some room for improvement there. As far as my first impressions, I'd say it's pretty awesome. I really like the desk. Can't wait to start using it. And if you guys would like to see a full review on the Jarvis Bamboo Standing Desk, feel free to let me know in the comments and I will make that video. But other than that, if you enjoyed the video, please smash the like button. It really does help out a lot. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.